today's tips and tricks. Today we are, do you want to download the wallpaper? Well, we have the wallpaper. Let's check this out. If you have a step 1, Deviant via DeviantArt. If you have a DeviantArt, you simply go to DeviantArt and press the link in the there is a link in the description. It says DeviantArt. You have to click on that if you have a DeviantArt account. Then it will appear this picture. If this appears, download your file. I already have the file because I'm the one who created the file. Once you have download it, it's a zip file. This one is the zip file. So extract here. In here I use DeviantArt to extract. Press extract here because I already have the extraction. This one the extraction. Now here is the wallpaper. Now step 2, via my YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube channel, you'll see a new icon in here. This one, the website, form, sway, and here you see a Google Drive icon. Now, if you click on that, if you hover on that, that will bring the word get free SP wallpapers. Press Google Drive. That is an option for those who doesn't have DeviantArt account. So this one is loading. Then it says superhero based wallpapers.zip, an item. This one is the folder. You can download it. Once it's downloaded, you'll see this superhero based wallpapers. If you click it, it's the same. It's the same. Now, are you happy? Leave me a comment. Which one do you like? Which wallpaper do you like? The SP-based wallpaper, SKZ wallpaper, or SKZ wallpaper? Write in the comments below. Bye-bye. See you in the next news, tips, and tricks. Bye-bye.